Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English podcast with Mandy and Mark. It's great to have you join us for another exciting episode where we explore everyday topics to help you improve your English.
That's right. We believe that learning English should be fun and engaging. And what better way to do that than by talking about something everyone loves, pets?
Exactly. Today, we'll be discussing different types of pets, how to care for them, and maybe share some funny anecdotes about our own furry companions. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, where we'll practice some new vocabulary and have some questions for you to answer in the comments below. So, Mark, I know you're a big animal lover. Do you have any pets at home?
I do. I have the cutest golden retriever named Buddy. He's like my shadow, always by my side. We love to go for walks in the park and play fetch.
Ah, a golden retriever. They're known for being such friendly and playful dogs. It sounds like you two have a lot of fun together.
We definitely do. How about you, Mandy? Any animal companions in your life?
I actually have two cats, Whiskers and Mittens. They're quite the pair. Whiskers is very energetic and playful, always getting into mischief, while Mittens is more laid back and prefers to cuddle.
That's adorable. Cats can be so independent, but there's nothing like a good cuddle with a furry friend.
I completely agree. What's been one of your favorite memories with Buddy?
Oh, that's a tough one. There are so many. But one that always makes me smile is when I first brought Buddy home as a puppy. He was so tiny, and he fell asleep in my lap while I was watching TV. It was the sweetest thing.
That sounds precious. Puppies are just bundles of energy, but those quiet moments are truly special.
They really are. So tell me, what do your cats like to do for fun? Aside from getting into trouble, of course.
Well, they love chasing after string toys and batting around anything that sparkles. They also have this funny habit of sleeping in the most unusual places, like laundry baskets and empty boxes.
That's hilarious. Typical cats, always finding interesting places to relax.
Exactly. It never gets dull with them around. I think it's wonderful how pets can bring so much joy and companionship into our lives, don't you?
Absolutely. They become part of the family. Speaking of family, do you think pets are good for children?
I think so, yes. Growing up with pets can teach children about responsibility, empathy, and the importance of caring for another living being. Of course, it's crucial for parents to supervise interactions, especially with younger children, to ensure everyone's safety and well-being.
I agree. It's a great way for kids to learn about compassion and how to treat animals with kindness and respect.
Exactly. And let's not forget the endless entertainment pets provide. They're always there to make us laugh and brighten our days.
Absolutely. Pets enrich our lives in so many ways.
I couldn't agree more. Now, how about we dive into some of the vocabulary we use today? That's a great idea. For those of you following along, we're going to highlight some of the key words and phrases from our chat. Grab a notebook or your phone, and let's expand our vocabulary together. Mark, would you like to start us off?
Sure. The first word is golden retriever. It's a breed of dog known for its beautiful golden coat and friendly personality. They're popular family pets because they're great with kids and love to play.
Next up, we have Playful, which describes someone or something that enjoys playing and having fun. We talked about my playful cat, Whiskers, who always has a lot of energy.
We also use the word cuddle, which means to hold someone or something close in a warm and affectionate way. For example, Mittens, my cat, loves to cuddle.
And who can forget about anecdotes? An anecdote is a short, amusing story about a real event or person, like the one Mark shared about Buddy falling asleep in his lap.
Mischief is another great word, meaning playful but slightly naughty behavior. We often use it to describe the silly things pets do, like knocking things over or hiding our belongings.
Absolutely. We also mentioned laid back, which describes someone or something relaxed and easygoing. My cat Mittens is quite laid back compared to her energetic brother.
Another word we used is precious, which means very valuable or dear to you. For example, the memories we make with our pets are precious.
We also talked about how pets bring companionship, which is the enjoyment of spending time with someone or something. Pets are wonderful companions because they offer us their presence and affection.
The word empathy is an important one too. It means the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Caring for pets can help children develop empathy.
And finally, we talked about supervise, which means to watch over someone or something and make sure things are done correctly and safely. It's essential for parents to supervise interactions between children and pets. Now that we've gone over some helpful vocabulary, let's put your listening skills to the test with a few questions about our conversation. Don't worry, they're not too tricky. Mark, go ahead and ask the first one.
All right, so question number 1. What kind of dog does Mark have? Think back to our conversation and see if you can remember.
Okay, and for question 2, what are the names of Mandy's 2 cats? We mentioned them earlier in our chat about our pets.
Here's a fun one. Can you remember one of the funny habits Mandy's cats have? It involves their love for unusual sleeping spots.
And for our final question, why does Mandy believe pets can be beneficial for children? We talked about some valuable life lessons kids can learn from having furry friends. That wraps up our exercises for today. We hope you enjoyed learning some new words and testing your comprehension. Remember, practicing your listening skills is key to improving your fluency.
And don't forget, talking about everyday topics like pets is a fantastic way to build your confidence and expand your vocabulary. Who knew learning English could be so much fun?
That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining us on the English podcast with Mandy and Mark. We hope you found it helpful and entertaining. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more English learning content, and leave a comment below telling us about your pets or any questions you have. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy learning.